Watch fresh kiwis transform into sweet, dried perfection.
Inside this facility, thousands of kiwis are processed daily.
I'm Sarah Chen, and I'll show you our complete drying process.
Slow the line down at station 3.
We need more bins at receiving.
Watch the slicer speed.
Okay, 4 bins of kiwi for receiver 2.
Yeah, manifest looks correct. Ensure they seal the dock right away.
Each delivery is checked for optimal 34-degree storage.
Only premium quality fruit enters our process.
$14.8 bricks approved.
Every batch passes 12 quality checks before processing.
Thanks, Ice. Placing pallet in zone C12. Okay, B12 is updated. Next pallet goes to C14. Clear the aisle.
Retrieving batch 11F15 for processing.
Clear path. Clear that cluster on the left side there.
All right, spreading it out now, almost clear for the washer.
Fresh kiwis are gently brushed and rinsed.
Good clean batch. Then rinsed with filtered water. This one's soft, remove it.
Automated scales sort by weight into uniform sizes.
Flow rate on the center lane is stable at 60%.
Copy that. Left lane holding steady at 20.
Mechanical peelers remove skin in seconds.
Got a small patch here. Clean peel.
Precision slicers create uniform 4mm thickness.
Check the thickness on this batch.
Looks good. Consistent 4 millimeters.
Watch that overlap. Good spacing.
Multi-zone tunnels gradually remove 90% moisture content. Temperature gradually increases through 5 drying zones. Precise moisture monitoring ensures perfect, chewy texture.
Temperature 90 degrees, normal range.
Dried slices cool gradually before packaging.
Each batch is tested for moisture, color, and flexibility.
Metal detector operational, 0 rejects.
Lane 3 is pulling ahead again.
Yes, but the overall balance is still within tolerance. Keep an eye on lane 1.
72 degrees. Approved for packaging.
Batch 2847, approved for packaging.
Laboratory analysis verifies exact moisture content for shelf life.
Color within specifications.
Texture testing ensures perfect chewy consistency every batch.
Nutritional testing verifies label accuracy and vitamin content.
Batch 2847 meets all specifications, approved for release.
Batch 2847, fully approved, released to packaging.
Automated baggers portion and seal retail packages.
Seal strength good, 2.8 kilograms.
Batch complete, send to case packer 2.
Case complete. Ready for seal.
All weights good.
Pallet 47 labeled, ready for warehouse.
Wrap coverage good. Labels clear. Weight verified.
Pallet 47 in transit to warehouse.
Pallet 47, received to inventory, Zone C storage. Every pallet is tracked and rotated to ensure freshness.